Hey guys, welcome back to another Quick Assist video, and today I'm going to be showing you how to screen record on your iPhone. Now this is pretty simple, but say you find a video that you really like and then you want to show someone, or you want to save it, or you want to, perhaps use it to edit with. All you have to do is go to the very top right and you'll see the circle button right here. Once you push it, it'll give you a few seconds. There's a countdown, 3, 2, 1, and now it is recording. So you might want to prepare that video, and so say I want to start right from the beginning, so I'll wait for that 3, 2, 1, and then I'll start recording. And then when you're done, all you have to do is go ahead and click that again and it should save. Now where does it save to? Go ahead and click that and it'll go to your gallery. Okay, so once again, let me show you. All you have to do is go to the video you like and then push this, go to the top right, go to the top right, scroll down, and then you'll get to this menu. Go ahead and push the circle button. It'll say 3, 2, 1, and you're ready to screen record. All right, I hope this video helps. Please like or comment, subscribe. Appreciate it. See you next time. Bye-bye.